Good morning, everybody, and welcome back here at Babylonstoren. I'm Brent, here between the Bos Lilies, our beautiful, beautiful clivias. One of my favorite spaces on the farm are under these beautiful white stinkwood. They are just the perfect tree to go with these perfect blooms in spring. It is now the time that we've been waiting all year for, working hard, getting the plants looking amazing, for you guys to come join us here in the garden. Having these beautiful clivias, orange, red, blush pinks, even some yellows here in front. We just want to share these beautiful flowers with you, and then to say this is the start of a beautiful spring and summer coming. When you're walking around, sometimes just put your nose in the flower like I do, because now and then I try to spot one of my favorite plants, a clivia called Kirstenbosch Supreme. I love it because it's one of the few clivias that actually has a fragrance. It smells like azaleas. So I look out for that plant, especially along this beautiful long path here along the stream at Babylonstoren. My recommendation is that maybe you enjoy the garden when you come in, but on your way back after a tired walk, slowly stroll down the path in the shade, slowly admiring all these beautiful flowers this season. I'm looking forward to seeing you here in our garden. I'm Brent. Thank you very much.